In this video, we'll show you how to install Mini-1GSP, Matter over Wi-Fi Smart Switch. Inside the package, you will find Mini-1GSP device, quick guide. Before wiring, please make sure the power is turned off. Loosen the required screws. Check if there is a neutral wire in the wall box. Wire the device according to the wiring diagram. Make sure all connections are secure. Turn on the power. When powered on for the first time, the LED indicator will flash 2 short and 1 long. If not, press and hold the button on the device for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Open the eWeLink app. Select Scan. Scan the QR code on the back of the device. Follow the instructions in the app to complete the setup. Once added successfully, turn off the power. Install the device and the switch into the wall box. Your Mini-1GSP is now successfully installed and ready to use.